At this point of time, my life seems in front of me to be more purposeless. Now, what do I mean by that is, things seem something like this. Like yesterday night, I was like, I slept at like 3, 4 or 5 p.m. something. And I was like, यार जिंदगी में क्या करना है ऐसे ही दिन कटने हैं क्या even I was doing the same. I just went to a walk, I came back, again I went to walk, again I came back, again I like just एक चक्कर काट के आया फिर से and I was like क्या करना है जिंदगी में क्या करना है क्या करना है. So I think if you're also someone who is into like same condition जिसको मतलब समझ नहीं आ रहा है जैसे मुझे कि जिंदगी में करना क्या है you are just spending time, you're just doing like days just like going और ऐसा लग रहा है कि आपका like, कोई कुछ चोरी कर रहा है because every single day is like 24 hours man. ये बस ऐसे जा रहे हैं and you could like see it going 24 घंटे गए 24 घंटे गए. Again, no doubt that I love my life, I love people I am around, I love my team, I love my clients, I love my business, money is coming in, everything is good, everything is good, but there's still something missing. And this is what I think it is all about, what I call it as a purpose. And to be very frank, this purpose is something that I had earlier while starting off my business. I had this purpose, and I think this purpose is a bit like it's completed after this business is done. But currently, in current scenario, while life is such a way कि अब क्या क्योंकि वो तो complete हो गया है ना तो अब मैं क्या करूँ? I'm like complete meaningless. How does it actually feels like? So here's like some like very interesting conversation that I was having with myself, and I just thought recording this on my like video cam. So I said to myself that okay Harry, so dude, so what's like your purpose in your life, like what you're born for? So and my answer to it was I don't know. I mean seriously I don't know. Earlier I had something, I completed that. Now what? I don't know. It doesn't mean that I don't like my life and my life doesn't continue. It goes on, but I want to make my life matter than just to make my life. So for that to make my life matter, I need some purpose, right? Something that I could actually look after. So here's something that I came up to, that how do I find this now? There are some interesting conversation. The conversation went on further like this. फिर बाद में मैंने पूछा that ओके हैरी, तो तुझे तेरा लाइफ का पर्पस पता नहीं है. ओके, एग्री विद दैट. ठीक है, पता चलेगा राइट, तो तब तक तू क्या करेगा? सो आई सेड ओके एक्चुअली दैट क्वेश्चन मेक्स सेंस. तो तब तक मैं क्या करूँगा? देयर आर ओनली टू थिंग्स आई कैन डू. वन इज either आई कैन कीप इन सर्च ऑफ इट, कीप एन आई ऑन इट. सेकेंड थिंग इज कि या फिर मैं कुछ ना करूँ. So here's like what I thought was कि अगर मैं कुछ नहीं करता हूँ, ठीक है, then it would be like more harmful for me. What I mean to say is, when I find a purpose in my life, at that point of time, it shouldn't be like that. Then I मुझे पहले मेरे लाइफ का पर्पस मिलेगा फिर मैं शुरुआत करूँगा कुछ करने की. I just don't want this thing to be like that. What I all want is, जब मुझे मेरी लाइफ का असली पर्पस जो होगा, ठीक है, ऑफ कोर्स आगे वाला जो भी असली पर्पस होगा वो समझेगा, एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम आई वुड गो फ्रॉम 10x to 100x. इट्स नॉट लाइक आई विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम zero. It's very well said that make मतलब कोई काफ़ी अच्छी कोट है ये, मेक योर sweat, ठीक है, sweat in the practice instead of bleeding in the battle. So I think this is the point where I need to work on the sweat. समझ लेना, ठीक है, कोट मुझे ठीक से याद नहीं आया, but this is like what I really think right now. Thing is that happening is that I think it's time for me to sweat in while practice. I need to work on my skills. No doubt I'm good at it. I need to take it to grand level ताकि जब मुझे असल में मेरा पर्पस लाइक ध्यान में आएगा, dude, this is something that I'm like really made up for. At that point of time, it's not कि तब मैं practice करूँगा, but I'll go like from 10x to I'll go 100x. So that's what I think, even if you're someone, who is confused कि मुझे सच में समझ नहीं आ रहा कि मेरा पैशन क्या है, मेरा पर्पस क्या है लाइफ का, मैं करने क्या आया हूँ, मेरा क्यों जन्म हुआ है, and all of this shit going on in head. So I think this is something that we need to realize that, dude, I mean, it's okay and it's completely normal. Believe me, I was watching this guy, his name is Ankur Warikoo, like a pretty big entrepreneur. Even he said it in his TED talk that at the age of like 32 he freaking didn't know what was he gonna do in his life. At the age of 32. And I think it's completely normal. Even if you see journey of Elon Musk, now you know that like what's Elon Musk's purpose in his life. His life's purpose is that he wants to make this earth like a human, like a multi-planetary species. So that's what he's actually looking for. But he hasn't like for to reach at that particular thing, he didn't say that पहले मैं मुझे पर्पस समझ में आएगा और फिर बाद में जैसे वो समझ में आएगा फिर मैं काम शुरू कर दूंगा. He did the best thing that he can. He mastered the coding, he mastered he reading the book, he became a capable human being. He became almost like a millionaire, till that point of time, that thing arrived in his head. And at that point of time, that's when, that multiplanetary species वो कीड़ा उसके दिमाग में एंट्री कर गया. That's something, where from 10x he he went to 100x. So I think, this is what even I and even you need to realize that now I think it's the time. Now is the time to work on ourselves, sweat in the practice so that we don't bleed in the battle. Sweat in terms of master my skills, master my communication skills, master my video skills, master my closing skills, master my marketing skills, master my networking skills, master my branding skills, master my digital marketing course, master persuasion skills, master negotiation skills, master team leading skills, master like everything that I can do. I think it's time to just master that. And I think it's time to really work on developing my concentration skills. I mean, like the focus skills. So I think this is something that I'm going to do today, and I really hope that if you're any student who is really confused in his career कि यार मुझे करना क्या चाहिए, so I hope this video is helpful for you, जहाँ से at least आप ये देख पाओगे कि मुझे असल में अभी करना क्या चाहिए. So even I'm in the same scenario, brother, sister, whatever it might be, I'm in the same scenario. Even I'm confused, and it's okay to be confused. Big people are also confused. No one knows what the heck is gonna do with this life. It's completely okay. I completely understand. But now what I think time is for you and me is to work on ourselves. So I'm working on myself. No doubt that I'm working on myself. And so do I want you to work on yourself. Work in terms of all of you know that. So thank you. Thanks for watching here. Do let me know if this video was helpful to you. This is Harish Ranveer signing off.